Goodbye, my friend. You were good diesel fuel. We had a lot of good times together. For this experiment, I'm using some very old diesel. This is heavily oxidized. Previous tests I had to use green dye so you could see it, but it's over 9 months now, and it was just the last couple of inches that I've been working out of the bottom of a pail all this time. So I had less than 3 ounces left of this. It's pretty disgusting. Capillary tubes, 15 times magnification lens, stirring device, Star Tron on the right, plain diesel on the left. You can see the plain diesel goes further up the capillary tube. Do that one more time. Doesn't matter how far down you go, because the surface tension is the only thing that determines how far up the capillary tube the diesel will climb. In this video, I use Star Tron enzyme fuel treatment to reduce the surface tension of a sample of really old oxidized diesel fuel, Star Tron. Take care of your fuel, new or old, and it will keep your motor alive and healthy. Thanks for watching.